Hey there, YouTube modders, coming back at you live at the workbench again. So, hope you all had a good weekend. It was Easter weekend. Hope everyone had a good time. Hope everyone stayed safe. Hope everyone's enjoying the weather. Here in Chicago, it's about 80 something degrees outside. It feels really good, better than the cold. So, got a couple updates to give you here on the bench. Um, One, for anybody who's was still following along with uh, uh, the house situation that we were looking at, my girlfriend and I are looking at. Another deal fell through, so that's got two in a row. A little discouraging, but we got another lead coming in. There goes an airplane. Anyways, got the windows open. I live in Chicago. I live literally 2 blocks off the end of the runway there, so the planes take off and land this way. They go right over the apartment building. But anyways, lived here for 10 years. I get used to it. So yeah, so the home situation, I'm still got boxes all over my apartment. So unfortunately, it is what it is. But you know, things will turn around. So I have a workbench update here. The other day, I posted a video of the Revell '66 Pontiac GTO, and you guys will love it. And I really appreciate the comments you guys have been writing on that. It's going over really well. I didn't think it was going to be that popular, I guess. So I that was the '66 Revell. I had built the '67 MPC one before, and the Revell kits are just miles ahead of the MPC kits. But actually, when I did it a while ago, a couple years ago, the MPC '67 GTO, it actually came out really nice. I actually really liked the way it came out. So because I really liked it, and it's been recently re-released, and I love them in drag race form, pro stock, whatever, pro street, however you want to call it, the drag form. Um, and because you guys really love the Revell, I'm rambling here. I'll wrap this up a little quicker. But anyways, I bought the Weekend Warrior MPC kit, knowing that this is a fairly decent kit. So I'm making it the drag race here. Drag race, the drag car. So start off with the interior here real quick. I need some touch-ups here. Do it as a two-tone interior with the roll cage. I like doing my interiors two-tone, especially with the lighter colors, because when you do, I find when you do it like all black, no matter how well you do it, once you put the body over it, you never really see it. So I like to kind of make sure things are seen. So I got the red roll cage, an off-white for the seats and the doors. Help if you see it. Red roll cage, off-white for seats and doors. The racing seats are your MPC ones. I couldn't find any references of them, but I just painted them silver and then did the seat belts with red Sharpie, and then the buckles are black Sharpie. The back seat belts are paint. So looks pretty cool so far. Got the dashboard here too. I'm working on. There it is. It focuses, but so far so decent. There's a little break in the steering wheel there. And that is because the steering wheel had dropped on the floor when I was working on it, and when I went to look for it, I accidentally stepped on it. So my phone fell. Hold up. There we go. So phone's back. So the steering wheel's got a little crack on it. If I can figure out how to fix it, we'll do it. The engine is going to be the pro stock one here. Woo! So it's just a regular crappy MPC little engine block, and then it's going to have the blower coming out of it. I want to do it with the original plan was to do it with this hood, but because it's the standard hood, but I don't think I'm going to be able to do that with the blower coming on. I might just have to cut a hole in the bottom of this. Jacked up the rear suspension on the chassis. I think that's the way it goes. That's from the parts that they give you on it. I don't know. I think it's up awful high, but we'll see what happens. Everything's in there, so I need to do some detail painting on the bottom yet. The wheels I'm going to... This kit comes with the set of regular tires, and then it's got two big Firestone racing slicks, the big fatties. So I'm going to obviously put the fatties on the back, the regular ones in the front, and I'm going to go with these wheels. I'll paint the insides black. So it's got the black with the chrome around it. I think that's going to be really sharp. Now the body, I just have painted in a silver right now, because no matter what I do, I'm going to definitely have the silver rocker panels on the bottom of it, and then obviously the chrome trims. But I'm thinking either doing it a red or a black. I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking maybe the black. So it'd be kind of a nice, cool little dragster with the freaking blower coming out of it. You know, might be cool. I think it'll be cool. I hope it turns out cool. So that's my bench update for right now. It is the 67 Pontiac GTO Weekend Warrior. So hopefully this bad boy will come out pretty nice. I'm going to work on it some this evening here. And hopefully by the weekend, I'm hoping, by the weekend I should have it done. I'm hoping. Just bear with me. I'm going to do some another slideshow, I think, later in the week of a couple older cars that I've done past years. So, excuse me. I'll get that rolling. I'll have that out for another day for you guys, and work on this car. So I feel like I rambled on this one. I apologize if I did. So you guys stay safe, be cool. I'll talk to you guys later. I'll see you next time. Bye.